talking.
Everybody's mic.
We're live.
We're live. Right there. You're alive. Good to see you, Bob.
Good. Well, everybody, don't forget, half hour from now, Love, Hope, and Faith with Heather Murdoch's
That's right.
Easter special.
That's right. Thank you, Bob. This will be a great show.
Natalie and Anna, Sexual Assault Awareness Month.
April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month. Come out on April 29th at Pekovich Park and join us for our balloon release. Our crisis line is 223-2600.
Very important, yeah.
It's very important that the No More campaign.
No more silence.
NoMore.org. So, very important.
Good. Excellent. Okay, and then also Linda with the Ladies' Night.
Sutter Creek Business and Professional Association Ladies' Night on Saturday, April 11th.
Very good. Free childcare. Got to
Free
hit that.
childcare, yes.
That's
With
put on
snacks.
flashing lights. Yes, exactly. From 5 to 9, and they'll be well taken care of.
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Karen?
Come to Art Track. Come down to look at the art galleries in Sutter Creek anytime, and especially on the first Saturday of every month.
Wonderful. There's a lot
And
going
my
on in
jewelry
Sutter
will
Creek.
be there.
Yes, very good. And I love that fabulous necklace.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's really a showstopper.
Thank you.
Yes, exactly. And Tommy?
And then we have the trade show April 16th for the Business Expo at the Jackson Rancheria from 4 to 7.
Okay, good. Oh, well, we have 2 more minutes, guys, so I guess we can give you guys a little more opportunity, right? Yeah. So we'll start back this side again.
Let's talk about the Sexual
this
Assault
is-
Awareness Month one more time, because it's a very important topic, but it is obviously a national campaign to bring awareness to the sexual assault, and it could be men or women or family members, anyone, correct?
Yes, and Operation CARE helps victims of sexual assault, and we provide one-on-one counseling and hospital accompaniment, court accompaniment if they need a TRO. We're there to provide those important things for them.
And this last grant year, we served 45 victims of sexual assault. Probably about a third of them were minors, meaning either children or just someone junior high school age range.
Wow. Wow. You guys do such good work. Really, it's sad that you have to do that work, that this is such a problem. But thank you for doing what you do. I know you guys also do a great job. Natalie came and did a training for us at Celebrate Recovery on how to identify people that are going through those types of situations. So you guys do trainings and things like that too for
Yes,
the
we do.
community, for businesses and other groups. So yeah, very good.
All right, and people can tune in to Love, Hope, and Faith today, the Easter special at 8:30 on
8:30.
ESPN.
That's right. That's right. Every Wednesday at 8:30.
That's right. With
But today is the
But today is a special.
who's it with? Heather Murdoch.
Some chick named Heather. I don't know. She talks a lot.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, well, thank you again, ladies. I hope that we wish you all the best with all your adventures.
Thank you.
Good luck
you.
with the chamber.
Thank you so
yes,
much. Thank you.
absolutely. And thank you all for being on this morning. And Amador County, hope you have a fantastic week and a very happy Easter. And we'll see you soon.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody.
You're watching Amador County's local television network, TSPN. The segment you just watched and all of TSPN